Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're doing a video on a first aid kit. Basically, they call it a trauma kit, but that's pretty serious and professional sounding. So I look at these things as more like a first aid kit than anything else. But let's take a look. I got this from Amazon. All right. This particular one, I will put the link of it in the description down below if you want to get the details on who makes it, uh, the pricing and everything else. If you want to take a closer look, and if you're searching for a first aid kit slash trauma kit, all right, med kit, whatever. I bought this actually to cannibalize it, to take what I need from it. I'm not going to use this bag, although it's not a bad bag. It's definitely not Maxpedition quality, but you can use this for other purposes, I guess, like a hygiene kit. You can use this to carry your toothbrush and toothpaste. But yeah, but for as a med kit, you could also keep the stuff contents in like this, store it like this. I don't know if it's waterproof, or I don't know how durable it is, but you could add this to your backpack, leave it in your glove box, whatever. All right, it comes with a Velcro rubberish flag. All right. Okay, let's get this open and take a look. Yeah, already. Oh, okay. Let's try to get this open all the way. Voila. All right. The bag itself. Here's the flap. You could put other stuff here in this neck pocket. Pretty cool. So they give you extra compartments to put other stuff in if you need to. Everything is okay. I stand corrected. Everything is packaged in here, but once you take it all out, you're gonna sort it out and put it into different compartments of this bag. Yeah. So the bag, the pouch, has different pockets, different interior pockets. Stretchy material here, stretchy molly. All right. I could say not very tough, pretty flimsy, plasticky-ish on the inside. On the outside, it doesn't feel too much like plastic, but inside, I don't know. Maybe that's just the lining. Okay. All right. So let's take a real good look at the bag on the outside. All right. That's the bag. Okay. Move this off to the side. Let's see what the med kit contains. Yeah, I'm putting together a new kit, and I'm not gonna tell you the name of what I named it, because I want it to be part of the video when I put the kit together, and I want to reveal it then. this open. All right. It comes with an Israeli bandage. Okay. Comes with a cheap tourniquet. Comes with assortment of bandages. And I will leave it undisturbed for now. I don't want to open it until I'm going to use it. It comes with a little booklet of instructions on first aid and how to take basic life-saving measures, choking, resuscitation, eye injuries, poison, minor wounds, bleeding, fainting, broken bones, burns, first aid precautions. Yeah, so this booklet is probably, I haven't read over it, of course, yet, and but if the information is good in this booklet, this kind of information is invaluable. It's really good to have. So always keep instructions and manuals with your kit, your first aid kit or your trauma kit. All right, and it comes with trauma shears. And I've bought a kit like this before, and you know what? These scissors are pretty decent. They will cut through pretty tough materials. Okay, they're not, of course, the name brand Leatherman, and they're not as heavy duty, but this will suffice. This will cut through clothing. It will cut through harder materials. They work. Okay. Comes with a bandage, triangular bandage. Okay, if you got a broken arm, you put it in a sling and get to the hospital. Okay. Comes with a wrap, another bandage wrap. These are pretty cool. They are self-adhesive bandage tape, and yeah, this will keep your wound, your padding or bandages or gauzes in place, and you wrap your arm with this, and it keeps all your wound wrapped up. Okay, and emergency blanket. Very important. Emergency blankets, something to keep you wrapped up in a trauma situation. When you experience, and you don't have to be injured, by the way, if you experience or observe or witness something traumatic, your body can go into shock. Okay, you'll start to shake as if you are freezing, and when you see someone going through that or going into shock, you want to wrap them up and keep their body core temperature. Try to help with that. All right, and then you have compressed gauze. Okay, this is the stuff you want to actually wrap your wound in, and then wrap this on the outside to keep everything together. All right, I think yeah, you know, I don't see any medicine, pain relief medicine. That stuff I will probably, or wound treat ointments, or anything like that. I will get that separately and put it into the new kit. But this is all that comes with this kit. And like I said, if you're interested in looking at what the price is, check out the link uh, in the description below. All right. Please like and subscribe. Check you on the next one.